Take a look at this 2010 Ford F-150. Carfax has certified this F-150 as having one owner. This F-150 has just under 38,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This F-150 boasts a 4.6-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, driver airbag and tire pressure monitor. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.